welcoming you all once again to this channel. In this session, we will see some conditional statements in Fortran. Let's go. So, here the conditional statement here, if the logical statement which might be given here is true, then this block of the this truth block will be executed. Then if it is false, then it will come to the false block, and at the end, so it will construct the corresponding output. So this way the flow chart of a logical statement is can work. And in the next one, we will see that if there is some logical expression, if that will be true, then C will greater than D, and if that will be false, then A will be equal to B. And if further this C greater than D is true, then X is equal to Y. If this is false, then X equal to Z. So this way also, in this side, if A equal to B is true, then X equal to W. If false, then X equal to P. And at the end, it will come to the concluding statement, that is the final statement of the executable code. So this way we can try to make our conditional statement in terms of a flow chart, and from flow chart to we can make also some simplified code. So next here I have a very simple example of of conditional statement. So here the program, we want to determine whether the number is an odd number or an even number. So let's go for the code here. So here the code is very simple, that we know there are so many functions in our Fortran. So the one of them is the modular function. So what it will do, it will return us the remainder of a division. So here we have simply used that modular function. So let's start. So the program here is the odd even, and in the number as a integer we have defined, and we want to read that number from the keyboard. And next is, if the modulus of that number with 2 is equal to 0, because we know the even numbers are always divisible by 2 and odd numbers are not. So if the modular division, that means the remainder will equal to 0, then this number will be written as an even number. Else means if not, then the number will be remain as a odd number. So this way we can write a very simple code of finding even and odd number, and this way we can use our if else statement here. So thank you for today's session.